Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to take a look at an interview that was done with Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. We're going to talk about time frame in terms of when their new stablecoin is going to be launched, and this is pretty shocking. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency news. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says Ripple USD stablecoin is only weeks away from launch. So let's see what this all entails here. He said the company is very close to launching its own dollar peg stablecoin on the XRP Ledger. During a fireside chat at the Korea Blockchain Week in Seoul, he says the stablecoin has been in a closed beta stage and they're certainly going to launch soon. He said weeks, not months. So that's really, really exciting for Ripple. Their stablecoin is going to be called Ripple USD and trade under the ticker symbol RLUSD. And they have plans for the company to launch its own dollar-backed stablecoin. They made these plans back, set them in motion after the USDC, which is the second largest stablecoin in terms of market cap, lost its peg to the dollar in March of last year. I do remember this, watching this very closely. We've seen Tether do it before, and then seeing USDC, it was basically a shock, and it was a ripple effect across the market. Plans for the stablecoin were first shared in April. Ripple said back then that the stablecoin will be 100% backed by US dollar deposits, short-term US government treasuries, and other cash equivalents. Garlinghouse was also asked if the company was considering going public, and he responded by saying he's got no interest in doing so. Going public in the US, giving the pretty hostile stance towards the crypto industry. He also referred to the IPO of Coinbase. This is interesting. I kind of forgot about this a little bit. He said that the US SEC approved Coinbase's IPO only to sue the exchange for the same things that they had approved. So Coinbase, we know, has been trying to work with the SEC in terms of regulation and getting clarity and making sure that they're doing things properly. And that completely backfired in their faces a couple of times, actually. And Brad Garlinghouse also went on to say any advice he gives to any new companies in the crypto industry is to not incorporate in the United States, because you're just basically asking for legal trouble. So that's very interesting. He is, and I don't blame them. I really don't blame them, because these companies out here, they're trying to do their best. They're trying to work with the government in terms of regulation and keeping compliant and things like that. And they just don't get any headway. All they really do is they get themselves in deeper and give them more reason to get sued, I guess, in the long run. And that's really unfortunate. And these things have to turn around. Hopefully with the new presidential candidates. Hopefully something will come about from that. Obviously, the U.S. is a little bit behind in driving innovation away from their country, and they really need to change that, because before, like, U.S. is known for innovation, Silicon Valley, all that stuff. They've had technological advancements coming from the U.S. For years, and to just drive out this certain industry that has a ton of potential, especially in financial markets, it's just not fair. So that's basically what I got for you guys in this video. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin is only weeks away from launch, so we're going to be watching this pretty heavily in anticipation of this happening. And it's not necessarily like you're going to use RLUSD to make money on, because it's going to be a stablecoin, but this is going to help boost the ecosystem and giving them that stablecoin power to be used with transactions and obviously overseas payments and things like that. This could be really, really huge. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.